guys, so I'm currently driving back to work right now. Today is Tuesday, although I feel like it's Wednesday for some reason. I'm headed back to work, and I did not even eat anything for lunch because for some reason today I feel really bloated. And normally I feel bloated like when it's finna be that time of month, or you know, pretty much that's the only time when I feel that way. But also I'm starting to think that I'm really not supposed to be eating dairy, because I feel like when I eat dairy I also get bloated. And I really don't, I mean, I love cheese, but I don't really drink milk unless it's like 2%. But I have been feeling so bloated. Yeah, so I didn't really eat anything, but I have to go and pick up some groceries again. Not really groceries. I made salmon the other night. I think, when did I make salmon? I made salmon on Sunday, I believe, and we really loved it. And we love salmon, but this time I made it and it was so good. And I tried a new sauteed broccoli recipe. I buy the big bag of broccoli from Kroger. I can't think of the brand right now, but on the package it has like a broccoli recipe where it calls for garlic, soy sauce, and sriracha, I think. I'm pretty sure. I didn't have any sriracha, so I just used red pepper flakes, and it was so good. Like, even Bae liked it. So anyways, I have to go to Kroger and get some more salmon, and then I got like the kids some more chicken nuggets, bacon, stuff like that. So that's what I have to do today. And I'm gonna try and film a video. I don't know if it'll be today, but I haven't posted like an actual sit down or just like a makeup video in so long, which, to be honest, you guys, I'm kind of steering away from the makeup videos. I do love makeup, don't get me wrong. I think I'm gonna stick to vlogging. You guys are probably gonna see me vlogging a lot more, and then, you know, a makeup tutorial or something like that every now and then, unless that's something you guys want to see. And if you tell me that you like my makeup videos and stuff, then, you know, of course I'll start doing them more. But my main focal point is just going to be vlogging and sit down videos. Me and the hubby were supposed to film the What's in My Mouth challenge this weekend, but see, I'm bloated and I kind of feel like I keep burping, but I don't know what happened. We just did not make the time to do it. Saturday nothing happened. I think Mason's soccer game got canceled, so we didn't do anything Saturday. We just kind of, well, I went to my sister-in-law's house, but nothing major. We just didn't make time for it, to be honest. I took the top off the Maybach. Ooh. Hey y'all. Let's not hit me, okay? Just got off work. Hallelujah. I'm about to run to the dollar store because I've been craving hot Cheetos. You guys, I have not been eating healthy at all. Like, besides, you know, my salmon and broccoli and stuff, you know, I have not been sticking to my eating healthy, which is weird because normally I'm pretty, like, weight conscious of what I put. I don't want to say, like, what I put in my body because a lot of go ahead. A lot of time I eat what I want. Like, I've never dieted or anything like that, but I try to like I won't drink more than one soda a week. I'm just weird like that. So and like, I won't, if I know I'm gonna have like dessert, I won't drink a soda with it because I feel that like that's just too much. Whereas my husband, he eats whatever the hell he want to eat, and he does not gain a damn thing. But it's just I don't know, women are different from men. Some of us just, you know, and I could be a lot bigger. I'm really not. I'm pretty small for, you know, how I eat and, you know, having 3 kids or whatnot. But anywho, I'm about to go get some hot Cheetos. I said all of that to say I'm gonna go get my hot Cheetos. And for lunch, I didn't really eat lunch today because I wasn't hungry at the time. I had a brownie sundae. Like, I don't know what's going on. I need to really start back meal prepping because at one point in time I was meal prepping. Yeah, I'm about to just go on over here to the store, and I will see you guys later. Hey y'all, I don't even remember the last time I started vlogging this week, but I'm at home getting ready to cook. Well, I'm cooking dinner right now. I came home and I cleaned up a little bit, and then I watched some of I watched Queen's vlog, or not Queen, Clarence vlog, and then I watched the Bells Plus One. So I'm cooking some baked chicken and some purple whole peas. I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese too, as soon as I can find the pot. But yeah, so I'm making some chicken, which I'll show you guys, some purple holes because I was craving purple holes, and some mac and cheese. But anyway, I was watching Clarence and Queen's video when they did the yoga challenge, and I think that's what we're gonna film next. Ooh, but I think that would be a lot more fun to do, so we're gonna film that maybe today, maybe tonight, I don't know. I'm gonna get ready to like straighten up the kitchen because I like to clean as I cook. And yeah, I'll get back on here in a little bit. Hey y'all, trying to back up right quick without hitting nothing. I just pulled out, I'm pulling out of the grocery store right now because we wanted to eat some more salmon. So I just left Kroger. I got some salmon, something to drink, and some dessert. Even though, y'all, something is wrong with me. Like, I just love sweets, and especially like chocolate, like cookies, brownie sundaes. Like, I'm just like, I need to stop eating it. But I did buy, we're having movie night, supposed to have movie night tonight, so I bought some salmon for dinner. I'm gonna do broccoli and rice because we've been killing that. And then the kids are gonna have, okay, Tyson has these new chicken nuggets, but they're really good. I was really surprised. I bought 2 bags in a week for the kids, and they love those. And we're gonna do pineapple chunks. Like, I bought a whole pineapple, and I'm gonna you know, do mac and cheese or whatever for the kids. I'm not going grocery shopping probably until Sunday because ooh, nobody's right here. Because we're going out of town tomorrow, so there's no point in me going grocery shopping and worrying about it until Sunday. So I'm just gonna not worry about it. Grocery shopping is like a chore to me nowadays. But we're going out of town for his mom's 50th. Well, she turned 50 on Monday, I believe, and so she wanted to take family portraits because she doesn't have a picture of like her kids, you know, and me and the grandkids. So we're taking family photos Saturday after my son's last soccer game, and then I'm gonna go to my mom's house because my brother is coming into town, which we haven't seen each other. Damn, I don't even know. So yeah, that's what my plan of the day consists of tomorrow. I have a feeling it's gonna be a long day, but worth it because we're gonna get to see, you know, family or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna have a movie night tonight, me and hubby. I'm thinking about getting a smart TV for the kids to be able to watch Netflix like in their room, because right now they can only watch it in the living room on that TV, like on the big TV. But like tonight we're gonna have movie night, and I don't want them to bother us. I want to watch the movie in peace. I'm about to run in here in Ulta really quick and not get distracted because I do have fish in the back. So I'm gonna run in here right quick, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. You can see it's sizzling, and I just fry it up to brown it on each side. My husband likes the skin, and then I finish it off in the oven. And then this is what the garlic butter drizzle sauce is gonna look like. And I got some rice going back there, y'all. Yummy. So I really couldn't brown it as much as I wanted to today because my pan was like, it was sticking to my pan. But this is what it looks like. It looks so good. And then I'm gonna just put a slice of lemon on top and stick it in the oven, you guys. Babe is back from the store. What are you doing? Baby.
Eating cookies?
I know, we just had dessert. I just showed you guys my dessert. I had ice cream with mine.
Don't comment for anybody. See, my mom, her name is Jasmine. My dad's name is George. And my sister's name is Aaliyah. And my name is Samaya, by the way.
Alright, you're talking too much and too fast. I'm probably going to end the vlog right here so we can watch our movie.
Hi. It's me.
And we'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Lily,
Bye,
say bye.
bye.
She all comfortable, but
Popcorn.
she just don't know this movie's about to
Popcorn.